Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here with us today because we're talking about something everyone deals with, but nobody really loves talking about, and that's chores and hobbies. And of course, I'm here with Tom.
Hey, Anna. Hey, everyone. It's great to be here. And honestly, talking about chores and hobbies is funny because life is basically a constant back and forth between I have to do this and I want to do that. And somehow we survive every week.
I know, right? Like today, I started thinking I just tidy up my desk. And 2 hours later, I'm cleaning the entire room, rearranging the bookshelf, and I have no idea how I got there.
Oh, I do that all the time. I'll be folding laundry and then notice a drawer I haven't opened in months, and suddenly I'm on the floor surrounded by socks, old receipts, pens that don't work, and I'm wondering how I got myself into this situation.
And the dust, it's like it multiplies the second you start cleaning. Crumbs magically appear on the floor, even if no one's eating, like the house has a secret life of its own.
Yes, exactly. And dishes. Don't even get me started. I wash them every day, but there's always that one spoon hiding somewhere in the sink, waiting to surprise me later.
And taking out the trash is always a challenge. Some bags are light, some are heavy, some just tear on the way to the bin. It's like a mini adventure every time.
And recycling, which is staring at you like, are you going to do me now? And you know you have no choice.
Bathrooms are the ultimate boss level. I swear I deserve a medal every time I finish scrubbing one.
And mirrors. You clean them, walk away, and the sunlight hits just right, and you see every fingerprint. Ever.
Laundry is endless. I wash everything, and then the next day, the basket is magically full again. Folding clothes is the worst part, especially socks. They never stay paired, and fitted sheets are basically impossible puzzles.
Yes, fitted sheets are impossible. I feel like I need a PhD just to fold one properly. Vacuuming is another one. Every time I vacuum, the dirt hides in corners and makes a comeback.
Pet care chores, if you have pets, is a whole other level. Feeding, brushing, cleaning litter boxes, or picking up fur, it never ends.
And car cleaning, dust, crumbs, and mysterious stains that appear out of nowhere.
But after chores, hobbies feel so much better, like a reward for surviving the day.
My hobbies change all the time. Sometimes it's playing guitar, other times drawing, cooking experiments, or baking something I've never tried.
I've been cooking more too, especially baking, but only when I have time, because cooking in a rush is stressful. Baking slowly feels peaceful.
Cooking slowly feels like therapy, especially when a recipe actually works.
Reading is my favorite. Losing myself in a book in the evening is a little escape from chores.
I love reading too, though I get distracted sometimes and end up thinking about snacks.
Hobbies don't need to be perfect. They just need to make you happy and help you unwind.
And walking, especially in the evening, clears the mind after chores and sometimes gives new ideas.
I like gardening too. It's slow, relaxing, and you see results.
Crafts are fun for me too. Simple DIY projects, painting, or building something small.
And sometimes hobbies mix together, like listening to music while drawing or journaling after cooking.
Watching videos about hobbies counts too, like tutorials about photography or drawing, even if I don't actually do it.
Hobbies make the day balanced. Chores make you tired. Hobbies give energy back.
And little things count. Stretching after vacuuming or reading 5 minutes before bed.
Small hobbies after small chores make a huge difference for your mood.
And putting away groceries. Seems simple, but it's tricky. Trying to fit everything perfectly in the fridge.
Sometimes you plan a hobby in the middle of chores, like once I finish this, I'll play guitar, and it motivates you.
Or once I finish vacuuming, I'll bake something sweet.
And if something goes wrong, like spilling water or breaking a dish, it's a tiny tragedy, but a funny story later.
Laundry sometimes feels like a hidden treasure hunt. I find socks I thought disappeared forever.
And sometimes old t-shirts that I forgot I even owned.
And when cleaning the windows, I feel like I'm trying to see through time. Everything looks different when the sun hits.
Folding towels is another chore. Sounds easy, but somehow they never end up neat.
And ironing. It feels like a workout for your arms and patience at the same time.
And hobbies like music make everything better. Even chores feel lighter with a good playlist.
Sometimes I sing while doing chores. Even if it's off key, it makes it fun.
I do that too. Sometimes I dance while vacuuming, like no one's watching.
And cooking experiments. Sometimes I try weird combinations. It's part of the hobby.
Baking is even better because you get a treat at the end, unlike chores, which sometimes just give more work.
And hobbies like journaling or writing. I try to do that after cleaning. It feels like a reward.
And small hobbies count too, like doodling or stretching after a long day of chores.
Cleaning the car is funny because it starts clean and somehow ends up messier in a week.
And organizing drawers, ooh, that's a big one. I open one thinking I'll tidy a little and end up sitting on the floor surrounded by random stuff.
Everyone has a mystery drawer in their house. It's universal.
And grocery shopping at home counts too. Putting away groceries and finding space for everything is a chore itself.
And errands outside, like going to the store, dropping things at the post office, sometimes those feel like mini adventures.
And hobbies after errands are the best because they feel well earned.
Listening to podcasts while walking, reading while drinking coffee, drawing in the evening, all those little things make life brighter.
Gardening, painting, cooking, baking, reading, music, walking, stretching, journaling, crafting, DIY projects, organizing, cleaning pets, vacuuming, laundry, dishes, ironing, taking out trash, car cleaning, window cleaning, it all counts. Every little thing.
And the funny things that happen during chores, like dropping a plate, spilling water, getting tangled in the vacuum cord, those make the day memorable.
And hobbies give us stories too, like baking a cake and it turns out weird, or trying a craft and it falls apart. We laugh and learn.
And we want to hear your stories. Funny moments when chores went wrong or hobbies made your day.
Tell us about your routine, what you love, what you dislike. We read every comment.
And if you're enjoying hanging out with us today, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
Share this episode with your friends who are learning English and leave a comment to tell us your favorite hobby or the chore you dislike the most.
Your support helps us keep making these conversations and stories for you every day.
We're so happy you're part of our podcast family, and thank you for listening.
Chores may be boring, but hobbies make life brighter, more fun, and totally worth it.
We'll see you in the next episode where we'll laugh, talk, and learn together again.
Bye, everyone.